डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हम लोग अ ट्रम्प ऑफ सर्जरी लेसन में इससे पहले के वीडियो में आधी कहानी आगे बढ़ाए थे, जिसमें हमने जाना था कि ट्रिकी जो अपनी मालकिन मिसेस पेम्फ्रे के द्वारा बहुत ज़्यादा खाना खिलाए जाने की आदत के कारण परेशान हो जाता है। उसकी बॉडी बहुत फैटी हो जाती है और वो काम नहीं कर पाता, कहीं भी दौड़ नहीं पाता है। मिसेस पेम्फ्रे ने मिस्टर हैरियट, जो जानवरों के डॉक्टर थे, उन्हें बुलाया। मिस्टर हैरियट ने उन्हें एक्सरसाइज कराने के लिए, उसकी डाइट में कमी करने के लिए कहा, लेकिन मिसेस पेम्फ्रे उसकी इस आदत को सुधार नहीं कर पाई और उन्हें आखिरी में मिस्टर हैरियट को अपने हॉस्पिटल में हॉस्पिटलाइज करने के लिए ले जाना पड़ा। हॉस्पिटल में जब दूसरे डॉग्स ने ट्रिकी को देखा तो पहले तो वो उसके साथ खेलने के लिए आगे बढ़े, लेकिन उसके लिस्टलेस, इनएक्टिव, लेजीनेस देखकर उन्होंने भी उसे छोड़ दिया। पहले दिन मिस्टर हैरियट ने उसे खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं दिया, केवल बहुत ज़्यादा पानी दिया। धीमे धीमे ट्रिकी की कंडीशन में सुधार होता गया और वह भी कॉम्पिटिटिव स्टाइल में अपना खाना खाने लगा और रात में मुर्गी घर से चूहों का शिकार करने लगा था। इतना हम लोगों ने पहले पढ़ लिया था। आज इस वीडियो में इस कहानी का आखिरी पार्ट पढ़ेंगे। ऑल द वाइल Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. All the while, meanwhile, Howard moved, anxiously interested. Meanwhile, all the process of Tricky's treatment, Mrs. Pumphrey was moving in his house in very carefully and anxiously interesting way. Why? To know how her Tricky was. Ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins, news regarding Tricky. Ringing, making phone. She called many phones at a dozen times for the knowing news information of the Tricky. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. Dodged, avoided. Mr. Harriot was perplexed by the various time of Mrs. Pumphrey's calling, so he avoided the questions regarding the cushions. She was trying to know what is the condition of changing Tricky's cushion or about the coat according to the weather. But I was liable to tell her that the little fellow, this word is used for Tricky, was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. Convalescing, recovery. मिस्टर हैरियट बेकार के क्वेश्चन कि उसके गद्दे बदले गए हैं, कि उसने मौसम के अनुरूप कोट पहना है, ऐसे क्वेश्चनों को वो अवॉइड कर रहे थे और केवल वो उसे जानकारी दे रहे थे कि ट्रिकी अब खतरे से बाहर है और वह तेजी से सुधार आ रहा है। द वर्ड canvalasking seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. Such type of word, canvalasking, recovering, this word, such type of made a huge reactive condition. The word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pamphret. Recovering health. This word, this information was giving a current effect, electric effect to Mrs. Pamphret. Mrs. Pamphret now became so active. She was thinking her tricky was going to the way of health. She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. मिसेस पैम्परे ने सोचा कि ट्रिकी अब खतरे से खाली है, खतरे से बाहर है और अब वो स्वास्थ्य लाभ कर रहा है, इसलिए उसे खाने की और ज़रूरत होगी। इसलिए उन्होंने ताज़े अंडों को देना शुरू कर दिया। 2 दर्जन अंडे एक साथ भेजने लगी, जिससे ट्रिकी ताकतवर हो गया। फॉर ए हैप्पी पीरियड माई पार्टनर्स एंड आई हैड 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situations began to dawn on the household. For a happy period, my partner attenders, and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. Mr. Harriot is admitting this fact. From that moment, when Mrs. Pamphret was sending those eggs, such time was a very happy period for him and his attendants, because they were consuming those eggs as breakfast or dinner. But it was extremely conditioned. What was extremely conditioned? When the bottles of wine begin to arrive. Dear students, in Western culture, wine is taken generally drink for the health. So Mrs. Pamphret began to send bottle of wine. The real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. Dawn, I want to tell, dawn is a magic word. यहाँ पर dawn का अर्थ है डॉन का अर्थ है रियलाइज्ड, लेकिन डॉन अर्थ होता है बहुत प्रारंभिक सुबह, डॉन वेरी अर्ली मॉर्निंग, और इसका एंटोनिम होता है डस्क, DUSK, शाम। इसको जरूर नोट कर लीजिएगा, डॉन और डस्क ये एंटोनिम होते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर डॉन का अर्थ है रियलाइज। जब वाइन की बोतलें आने लगी तो उन्होंने उस स्थिति को भी समझ लिया कि आगे आने वाले समय में उनके साथ क्या होगा, अर्थात मिसेस पाम्फ्रे की ओवर केयरिंग की आदत उनके हॉस्पिटल तक नहीं छोड़ी जा रही थी और वो ट्रिकी के लिए अंडे, वाइन भेजने लगी। और वास्तव में इसका आनंद कौन ले रहा था? मिस्टर हैरियट और उनके अटेंडेंट्स। नाउ लेट अस मूव। इट वाज टू एनरिच ट्रिकीज ब्लड। मैंने आपको बताया ये सभी चीज़ें मिसेस पम्फ्रे ने भेजी थी ट्रिकी के खून को बढ़ाने के लिए। लंच बिकम ए सेरेमोनियल occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. Ceremonial occasion, time for some celebrations. But जो अंडे या वाइन भेजी जा रही थी, ये दोनों ही चीज़ें मिस्टर हैरियट और अटेंडर्स के लिए लंच करने का एक शानदार मौका दे रही थी, because they were consuming such type of foodable items in their lunch, dinner or breakfast. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution, body structure, as effect. Mr. Harriet was highly surprised when Mrs. Pumphrey sent them 1 brandy bottle. What was the effect? Because so that Tricky's body so become stouty. For stouty body of Tricky's body, Mrs. Pumphrey sent a bottle of brandy. For a few nights, The fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled, and reverently drunk. Reverently, respectfully, inhaled, breathed in. Mr. Harriot is admitting this fact that for various nights they were taking such type of brandy, wine, and its smell was moving in held, or they were they were taking respectfully such type of drink. In one sentence, Mr. Harriot and his attendants were enjoying all the gifts whatever Mrs. Pumphrey was sending towards Tricky's health. They were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxurious round the fire with the brandy. Sustained attraction. Those days were very satisfied for Mr. Harriot and his attendants. Very early morning, they were able to enjoy extra eggs. At noon, regularly, they were able to find wine. And at last night, near around the fire, they began to take enjoy of the brandy. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest. Temptation attracts Mr. Harriet frankly admit this fact that such type of gifts were becoming hurdle to return Tricky. Because on the name of Tricky, they were getting such type of gifts and they were able to enjoy. So there was one attraction to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in their hospital. But I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering and after a fortnight felt compelled to form, compelled bounded. But Mr. Harriot knew very well that in absence of Tricky, Mrs. Pumphrey was feeling very unactive condition and she was suffering a lot. So after fortnight means 15 days, she was bounded to make call, tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection returning. And in that call, Mr. Harriot informed Mrs. Pumphrey that her Tricky had got health and it was very healthy and it was waiting to return its house. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up. Stopped. Metal car, gleaming, shining. After finishing of that car, within minutes, near about 30 feet length, shining one car, metal car, gleaming, shining. This car stopped outside the surgery hospital. The chauffeur opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the inferior. With difficulty. Chauffeur servant as with the stopping movement. When that servant driver opened the door, I was not able to identify Mrs. Pumphrey's condition just as it was earlier. दूसरे शब्दों में मिसेस पंफरे की कंडीशन बहुत ख़राब थी, बहुत चिंता में लग रही थी, कमज़ोर हो गई थी, दुबली हो गई थी. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her lips, in front of her, clasped joined together tightly पकड़े हो. मिसेस पंफरे अपने हाथों को कस के पकड़े हुए थीं. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? Mr. Harriot, please tell me what is the condition of my dog, Tricky. Please tell me truth. Now he is better. Yes, he is fine. हाँ, वो सही है. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. Fetch, bring. Mr. Harriot is replying, yes, he is fine, and there is no need to come out of the car. I will go inside and I will bring Tricky before you. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling running. When I entered, I mean Mr. Harriot. When Mr. Harriot entered in the garden, he found group of dogs were running either here and there round the lawn, and in their midst ears flapping. And in the group, this Tricky was flapping, moving. He was moving his ears, tail waving, and he was moving his tail. Was the little golden figure of Tricky. What was the color of Tricky? Golden figure, golden color. It was Tricky. He was moving his ears and tail. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a little hard-muscled animal. Transformed, changed. In 2 weeks, Tricky had changed from sick Tricky, from ill Tricky, into very hard-muscled Tricky. Now he has got full health. He was keeping up well with the pack. Keeping up mixed. Now he has established a friendship with the group of dogs. Stretching out in the great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. Bounce jumps. He was able to make good jumps, and at the time of jumps, his chest hairs were rubbing with the ground. जब वो उछलता था तो उसके गर्दन के बाल जमीन पर टच करने लगते थे. I carried him back along the passage into the front of the house. I returned from the house and raced with Tricky before the car. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous high. When Tricky found his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, was in car, so he made a very high jump from my lap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap and sat into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. She gave a startled चौंक जाना. Oh, now Mrs. Pumphrey चौंक गई, उनके मुंह से ओह निकला, and then had to defend herself. और ट्रिकी की, जैसा कि जानवरों की आदत होती है, चाटने लगते हैं और आपके ऊपर चढ़ने लगते हैं, इस कंडीशन से अपने आप को उन्हें डिफेंड करना पड़ा, बचाना पड़ा. एज ही स्वार्म्ड ओवर द लिकिंग हर फेस एंड पार्किंग. स्वार्म्ड क्लाइंब, क्योंकि ट्रिकी उनके ऊपर चढ़ने लगा था, उनको चाटने लगा था और उनकी तरफ भौंकने लगा था. ड्यूरिंग द एक्साइटमेंट आई हेल्प द chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, cots and bowls, none of which had been used. इसी बीच मैंने शॉफर के उसके टॉयज, बेड्स, कुशन, कॉट्स, बाउल्स, जिनको प्रयोग ही नहीं किया गया था, वो मैंने उनको दिए. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out, bowed out of the window, tears shone in her eyes. कार चलने वाली थी. मिसेस पैम्फ्रे विंडो से बाहर झुकी, निकाला सिर. उनकी आंखों में आंसू थे. हर लिप्स ट्रेम्बल्ड मूव्ड. उनके ओठ बुदबुदा रहे थे, उनके ओठ हिल रहे थे. ओह मिस्टर हैरियट, शी क्राइड, हाउ कैन आई एवर थैंक यू, दिस इज ए ट्रम्प ऑफ सर्जरी. ओह मिस्टर हैरियट, वो चीखी, वो चिल्लाई, मैं कैसे आपका थैंक यू कहूँ, ये तो एक सर्जरी की विजय है. आपने ऐसा ऑपरेशन किया है ट्रिकी का कि मेरा ट्रिकी बीमार था, वो अब बहुत ही अच्छा हो गया है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ दिस स्टोरी इज़ ओवर and in my next video you will find important board question series of this chapter, and next day you should be ready for fire and ice poem. Thank you.